Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly just click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you will definitely be notified. So here in this video I'm going to share with you some extensions that you can actually use to grow your Instagram account. So I'm actually doing some research and I noticed that this extension, I actually on my previous PC I've been using that extension so far. So I just noticed that I take out my other PC and try to check some stores, then I visit my Instagram account on the PC. So I noticed the extension, I think that which will definitely help. So I try some stuff with it and I say that it's actually still working perfectly. So then I decided to share it with you guys in this video. So I actually put the extension again on this new PC and I see that it's actually working so perfectly. So what does this extension does? So what it actually does is, if you are kind of like searching for some hashtags on YouTube. So let's say for instance I search for YouTube SEO, then you say what this extension actually does. Okay, so here you can see like or follow, or this is what the extension is all about. So it does likes and follow. So let's say for instance it will like the top 20 posts with these hashtags, and also if I want to follow every one of them, so it will follow top 20 accounts on this page. So let's try out the like all button and see how it actually works. So like her, so you see how the extension actually works. So here you can see the number is counting already. So that is how it will keep on proceeding till it reach the 20, which is the maximum of the likes button. So let's wait and see the result. Then what this extension also does is, once they say that there are some people that actually like a post and some other people who are actually checking on the post say that you like this kind of post, so possible you get a likes or a follow from them as well. So but this extension doesn't cover auto comment, so probably that is among the premium package. I don't know, maybe you have to pay for that, but of course we are going to look into that after this has done. So yeah, so this is a video. Okay, yeah, almost done. Then I think you should try the follow up button as well, so we see how it actually works. So yeah, done. So successful like 20 posts. Yeah, so go on and refresh the page, then we click on the follow up button. Okay, yeah, so let's try on the follow up button as well, so we see how it actually works. If the number doesn't count here, so definitely probably I've followed some of the page already, so it won't count. So I think I've followed most of the people here on this page. So I'll just try another hashtag. Let me cancel this and try another hashtag. Let me try vloggers, yeah. Let me try vloggers here. Okay, yeah, so it's have vloggers. Okay, so let me click on follow like this, so you see the number increasing now. Whoa, still the same thing. I don't know, probably because I used this uh 30 minutes ago already, so maybe that's the reason why it's actually not counting. I used the follow up button 30 minutes ago before I started doing this video. So but of course, if you try it out, it will definitely work, because I've tried it different times and it keeps on working for me. So what's the extension all about? So this extension name is power super power lights or super power follow or something. Okay. Super power, okay, super power for Instagram extension. So it's a Chrome extension, and then you can actually use it here. I think there is an extension for it for Firefox as well. So and you can see people that are actually using this extension, 10,000 plus. And let's check on the reviews. Although this review of a thing doesn't matter to me, because this is what I've actually tried and it's working for me perfectly. And also these reviews are from last year 2020, so I don't have any issue with that. Okay, so here, so I think they definitely have some pro version. Let's read more. Some pro version probably. Let's check on the website. Okay. Okay, so definitely they have pro version, so you can try out the pro version and let's see what the pro version is all about, what it actually entails. Okay, this is 17, almost 18 euro. So what does it entails? Can I stay aligned with Instagram community guideline? How can I let it run in the background? What is different between the free and the pro version? So here, okay, the free version give you 20 follow, unfollow, like, autopilot action, autopilot with repeat after not support. Okay, so this is the difference between the free version and the pro version as well. So can I use this extension with multiple accounts? Yes, it works. So how to export and import the mass followed users. So I don't know about this. Then something is not working, what should I do? So if you notice that something is not actually working for you, so you can actually reach out to the support. They will definitely provide help to your query. So I think that's all about this extension, and all my experience about this extension is so massive, and no issue so far, so it actually works for me perfectly. So you can try it out on your own, and if you notice there is anything about the software or about the extension, you can drop a comment, and of course, or reach out to the website and see what it's all about, then make some inquiry, which if you have a question regarding the video or regarding the extension, so you can reach out to the support. So thank you for watching this video, and please click on the like button and also drop a comment if you notice anything regarding this video. And of course, I'll still provide more valuable content more than this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.